animal facts. 1. We're going to start off with the millipede. A millipede is harmless, probably just as much as a butterfly, and they are related to the centipede, but millipedes have actually a million legs. That's why they're called millipedes. Number 2. The horseshoe crab, it has been around since the prehistoric times. Number 3. The swallow-tailed butterfly. The ones in North America are probably usually yellow. So, yeah, that's about the swallow-tailed butterfly. Number 4, mosquitoes. Only the female mosquitoes drink blood. Female and male mosquitoes actually prefer sugar or pollen over blood. So don't go blaming the guy mosquitoes. So for all the guys out there, just know that you're not in a male mosquito, you're hitting a girl mosquito, so they're ruthless. Yeah, girls can be pretty ruthless. Number 5. Monarch butterflies. They're not just pretty because they want you to look at them. It's kind of like a warning for any animal that wants to eat them. And they actually travel to Canada, Mexico, and back to the United States. Whether it's Canada or Mexico, it doesn't really matter which, but they'll travel in millions each year. Scientists or entomologists, as it goes, for bug scientists, will study how many monarch butterflies travel each year. It's their own little migration. Number 7. A gardener snake is completely harmless, and they will be black with a yellow stripe usually down the center of them. Now they may try to bite at you, but do not pull any snake off of you whenever they're biting you, because their teeth are just like fishing hooks, so that would really hurt if you pulled it out. Not just you, but also the snake. Number 7. Rattlesnake warns you, but the most deadly is, I should say the second most deadly snake in the world is the western diamondback rattlesnake, which of course has a diamond pattern on it. That's why they're called diamondbacks, in case you were wondering. Number 8. Black bears, they're the ones who usually climb trees, not grizzlies, polar bears, Kodiaks, or brown bears. Basically, it's the black bear is the only one who usually climbs trees, but they will get into your garbage and eat whatever is lying around. And speaking of eating, sharks will eat anything. To tires, to metal, they will literally eat anything. And there's usually only 2 deaths a year by sharks. So you're actually more likely to die from falling out of a bed, of your own bed, for instance. So it's very unlikely for you to die by a shark attack. And number 9 is panda. They may look all cuddly and nice, but even though they like to eat bamboo, that does not mean they won't attack you. Pandas aren't actually real bears. I kind of disagree with that, but we leave. That's why we leave it up to the scientists. Number 10 is the alligator, or Mississippi alligator. Any alligator really will work. They've actually compared the alligator's bite to a T-Rex bite, and their jaw pressure is pretty much the same, so you really don't want to get bit by an alligator or any crocodilian species for that matter. So, even though I disagree with that, because we really have no way of telling how strong of a jaw pressure bite a T-Rex has, because they're not alive anymore. That's why they're extinct. And that's my 10 animal facts for today. If you want to join, if you ever want to look up anything or have any questions, just comment in the comment section, of course, or any animal. You can just say about an animal or list an animal for that fact, and I will mention it if you want. So that's it for the first episode of Animal Facts with SnakeBoy.